Hi everyone, this is BA Media once again. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to be updated for a new opportunity to earn money online. I regularly share videos focused on making money, so without further ado, let's get started. In today's digital age, reading has evolved into a multidimensional experience, catering to those seeking captivating stories, as well as individuals' hunger for valuable insights and knowledge. Amazon KDP offers a vast library of self-published books spanning various genres and topics, presenting an enticing opportunity to generate a steady income. To become an influential voice in the world of Amazon KDP books, you can leverage the power of reviews. As an avid reader, sharing your comprehensive thoughts and opinions of the books you have read can help potential buyers make informed decisions. By highlighting the strengths, weaknesses, and overall value of each book, you enable readers to distinguish exceptional work from the rest. Another approach is to curate list or theme collection of noteworthy books that caters to different preferences and interests. By providing expert recommendations and helping readers discover hidden literary treasures, you can establish yourself as a trusted curator. This not only benefits readers, but also attracts authors and publishers seeking exposure for their work, opening doors for potential collaborations. In addition, you can deepen engagement with books by conducting author interviews or hosting virtual book clubs. Meaningful conversation about literature foster a sense of community and provide a platform for authors to connect with the readers. This interactive approach enhances the reader's experience, nurtures a loyalty following, and may even lead to a monetization opportunities. By immersing yourself in the world of Amazon KDP books, consistently offering valuable insights, and building a community around your recommendations, you can transform your love for reading into a lucrative source of income. Welcome back, moneymakers! If you're new here, this is BA Media, and on this channel, we will discuss all things about money. Today, I'm particularly excited to introduce you to a website that pays people $50 to $400 per finished hour for simply reading Amazon KDP books. I will break down all the details for you, including the website's name, how to get paid, and how to sign up. But first, I kindly ask you to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already, and welcome to the journey towards earning money. Now let's head over to my computer. This website called ACX, and they collaborate with companies like Audible, Amazon, and iTunes to transform ebook to audiobooks, a highly popular trend, especially on Amazon KDP. Your role will be that of a voice actor or narrator. All you need to do is find a book that matches your tone and voice, record samples, and send them to the author. I will provide more details shortly. Even if you lack experience, ACX offers training through the ACX University to help you become a skilled voice actor and narrator. You can find the link in the description. You will need to audition for the books that interest you, and I will explain the process soon, so stay with me. In addition to creating a rough draft, you will require to submit a fully finished version to ensure your tones aligns with the author's expectation. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, ACX provides training through videos and their ACX University. Additionally, you have the opportunity to earn affiliate marketing money through their platform. That summarizes the main points about ACX website and the opportunity to earn money by narrating Amazon KDP books. Now let's discuss how to find the right book to narrate. On the ACX website, you will find a list of titles that are currently accepting auditions. With over 1,700 different books available for narration, you can browse through these titles and use the category filters to narrow down your search. For example, you can choose the desired gender and genre you're interested in. There are just few examples of the titles, and there are numerous pages to explore. As I mentioned before, there are plenty of openings at the moment. Let's go through the process of finding the right book together. I'll be searching for authors who are specifically looking for a female narrator, and I will adjust the age preferences since my voice sounds young. This way, I can focus on authors seeking young female narrators. To filter the book options, you can simply click on the profile filter and adjust the settings accordingly. Let's take an example of one book where the authors estimate it will take around 7.7 hours to read. However, it's important to note that you don't have to complete the entire narration in one go. You can start and stop as needed. Later, we will discuss the specific requirements in more detail. As you scroll down, make sure to match even the desired accent mentioned by the author. In this case, they're looking for an American accent from a young female, which aligns with my qualifications. However, I would need to audition for the book. It's also recommended to check the Amazon book link and read reviews to ensure that the content aligns with your values and preferences. If you prefer shorter projects, you can find books that are under 3 hours. For instance, there's one book that only takes around 0.7 hours to read, offering quick and easy money. Alternatively, you can consider a book that takes 2.7 hours, understanding that the less time you work, the lower the pay. In this case, the author is offering $50 to $100 per finished hour, meaning you will get paid for the time between starting and stopping the recording. Any additional time spent, such as pre-reading the book, is not included in the pay. This example demonstrates opportunities for quick earnings. And that summarizes the process of finding suitable books to narrate on the ACX platform, including considerations for book length, pay rates, and alignment with personal preferences. However, there are significant earnings to be made on this website, and I will provide an example of an author paying up to $400 per hour. If you're finding this information valuable, please leave your favorite book in the comment section below. Also, let me know if this is something you would consider trying. Now, let's discuss some of the higher paying books, which are typically longer and more substantial. For instance, there's a book that takes 10.8 hours to complete, and the author is willing to pay $200 to $400 per finished hour. This means that you have the potential to earn $2,000 to $4,000 for completing this book, which is only 10.8 hours of work. It's important to remember that these hours only include the time from when you click start to finish, and any additional time spent, such as reading the book beforehand, is not factored into your paid hours. Now let's break down the pay structure. ACX offers 3 options: royalty plus paid per hour, royalty pay only, or paid per hour only. The author decides how they want you to pay, and you will be able to see the pay structure up front, so there are no surprises. You can choose the royalty share plus option, which means you will receive a royalty from every sale the audiobook generates. This can be a lucrative payment structure, especially if the book sells well. However, I will explain what factors you should consider when deciding between royalty share plus and paid per hour options. And that summarizes the mention of high-paying books on ACX, the pay structure option, and the need for careful consideration when choosing between royalty share plus and paid per hour options. Now let's discuss the royalty plus option, which includes an hourly pay in addition to royalties. However, the hourly rate may not reach the $200 to $400 range. It will be a negotiated hourly pay along with royalties from each book sold. The challenge with books that haven't been listed yet is the uncertainty of their sales potential. Therefore, if you choose the royalty or royalty plus option, it's advisable to focus on books that are already listed and have a high number of sales. This way, you have a better chance of earning more in the long run. For example, there's a book that requires 18.1 hours to read and offers either the royalty share or royalty plus option without a specific hourly pay. However, because this book already has sales, it indicates potential success, especially for audiobook version. Remember, choosing a pay structure based on royalty should be done with caution, and it's preferable to select books with a proven sales track record. Let's recap the 8 steps you need to take before getting paid. Step 1 is creating a profile, which is a requirement for payment. Step 2 involves uploading various samples of your narrating voice, showcasing versatility in your voice, accent, and ranges. Step 3 is choosing how you want to get paid, as we discussed the 3 options available. Step 4 is auditioning for the books that matches your style and interest. Once you receive an offer, Step 5 is accepting it and beginning the recording process. It's recommended to listen to your recordings every 15 minutes to ensure quality and minimize errors. Step 6 involves collaborating with other voice actors or professionals, where you can pay independent contractor a share of your earnings for their services. After completing the recording, Step 7 is submitting it. using the automated system to check for any unacceptable background noise. Finally, step 8 is getting paid. You can refer the requirements and guidance provided to ensure a smooth process. And that summarizes the steps involved in preparing for payment as a narrator on ACX, including creating a profile, uploading voice samples, selecting a payment option, auditioning, recording, collaborating with other professionals, submitting recordings, and ultimately receiving payment. I will provide the link to the ACX website in the description below for your convenience. Please note that I'm not receiving any compensation for sharing the link. It's a simple way to make it easier for you to access the website directly. And that concludes today's information on making money. If you are interested in earning more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notification for future updates. Also, feel free to check out other related videos on how to make money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.